Hello everyone, in this video I am going to explain the concept of inventory management. This topic is very useful for the management students, especially for MBA students. Reason being, this topic is common in three subjects of MBA second semester. One is production and operation management, second one is corporate finance, third one is operation research. In this video I am going to explain the meaning of inventory, cost involved in inventory, types of inventory, motives of holding inventory, and inventory management methods and techniques. So let's start with the meaning of inventory management. Before discuss the meaning of inventory management, I will discuss the meaning of inventory. As you know, inventory is the second largest item of assets in the balance sheet after fixed assets. So inventory simply means it refers to stock of goods kept for sale by the firm, or you can say it is a stock of goods held for doing business. Meaning of inventory can be studied under two heads: in case of manufacturing concern, in case of trading concern. In case of trading concern, it includes only finished goods. As per the trading concern, inventory simply means finished goods. As per the manufacturing concern, inventory may include inventory of raw material, inventory of semi-finished goods, inventory of finished goods, stores and supplies. One, start with the meaning of raw material. Raw material simply means these are the basic inputs that are converted into finished product through the manufacturing process and chemical process. Second one is working progress, also known as intermediate goods, semi-finished goods, means those goods which are not ready for sale. Those product need some more works before became finished goods for sale. Finished goods, they are ready for sale. And supplies means all the additional inputs, miscellaneous input. Then types of inventory, I already explained what is raw material, working progress, finished good. Then purpose of holding inventory, there are mainly three purposes. One is transaction motive, precautionary motive, or speculative. Transaction motive simply means as per this motive you have to maintain inventory to facilitate production. Suppose if you want your production keep going, then you have to maintain proper quantity of stock. Precautionary motive, just you have to hold inventory for facing the adverse situation, unexpected situation in demand and supply factor. And speculative motive, you have to keep inventory for hold inventory to take the advantages of price fluctuation. So these are the basic motive. Transaction for just selling of goods, production of goods. Precautionary motive, just change the adverse situation, negative situation, all the external factor that will be harmful for your organization. For that purpose you have to maintain inventory. So there are mainly three types of inventory cost. One is carrying cost, second one is ordering, and shortage cost. Carrying cost, as per name says, cost of maintaining inventory. Cost of maintaining or carrying inventory in form of go down rent. Reason being, you have to maintain your inventory in go down, and then you have to pay go down rent. Second is maintenance of building, insurance, expenses of inventory. These are the carrying costs. Ordering cost simply means cost of placing order, cost of receiving delivery of goods in form of clerical expenses in preparing a purchase order, transportation expenses, receiving expenses, inspection expenses. Then you have to pay some cost. Or these expenses are generally fixed per order cost. And shortage cost means whenever temporary or permanent loss of sale, when demand can't be met, means when demand is more than supply, then you have to incur some loss, that is in form of opportunity loss. Then is meaning of inventory management. Inventory management, as per name says, management of inventory. Manage the inventory in proper manner, means it is a proper planning of purchasing, handling, storing. Means under inventory management you have to decide what to purchase, how to purchase, how much to purchase, and from where to purchase and where to store. So all these points you have to consider under inventory management. That's why you call manage the inventory in such a manner so that optimum amount investment in inventory, neither so high nor so low, it should be optimum. So that's called inventory management. Other one is objectives of inventory management. Objective inventory simply means to maintain a optimum size of inventory, means you have to identify the how much inventory you required. It neither should so high or no so low. To maintain a minimum investment in inventory to maximize the profitability. As you know, there is a negative relationship between liquidity and profitability. These are the two concepts. If profitability increase, liquidity decrease. So next is effort should be made to place an order at right time with right source to acquire the right quantity at right place and right quantity. Means under this you have to follow EOQ principle. Means just in time principle. Ki place order only that time when you need inventory. so that cost will be minimized. So these are the objective of inventory. These are the inventory control techniques. One is EOQ, ABC, HML, weight, MRP, Maximin, 2-bin system. In my next video, I will explain all the techniques of inventory control techniques. Thank you so much.